Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the binary puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Friday, June the 7th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and 4 star Sudoku. So we have two puzzles left, the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary puzzle. Yes, you are interested in the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 8676. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Here we have 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no, there should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no, there should be a 1. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Well. Now I'm no 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Then I need to think hard. We have here double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. Well, 1, 2, double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Ooh. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Finished in 3 minutes. Well, we solved it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle, jigsaw Sudoku with 10 printed digits. Until then, bye-bye for now.